So today I'm hitting an upper body workout session. It is my max effort week. With this block in mind, I hadn't trained properly in about 3 to 6 months. Has been a more of a hypertrophy / strength kind of block. So I'm gonna push myself a little bit more. My shoulder is bugging me a little bit, so I don't know how that's gonna feel. I'm gonna try warm it up best I can, play out and just see how it goes. So yeah, I'm gonna sort my bag out now. So this is pretty much all I take to the gym. So water bottle, lifting straps, resistance band. I've had this since like 2015, 2016, and yeah, it snaps. I need to get a new one. Headphones, inhaler because I have asthma, camera, kit, shorts, thermal shorts underneath, and then a long sleeve tee. Repping the Strength Physio there. These are really nice and comfortable, and then it's got the S on the front as well. Gonna pack everything up, get changed, head to the gym, and then we'll crack on. So this is the package. I got a very good deal, as I said, on eBay. Got loads of extras. But yeah, let's unbox everything and go through it. So I've got a bit of a leather, I guess, pouch to put the camera in. That is pretty nice. Again, there's a Canon E-mount sort of adapter. So I probably won't need this. I might sell this. 2 extra batteries. Charging station with the cable, pretty handy, and the camera itself. So let's open this up. Oh, this got the cage on it as well. Oh, that is very nice. Yeah, that's really nice. So it's got a newer cage on it. I guess you can have kind of more attachments added on. Really good thing about this camera is they put the tripod attachment not under the battery, so you don't have to kind of unscrew it each time. But yeah, like I said, it's Sony. You can read that. Don't think it's gonna focus. No. Sony ZV-E10, 4K camera, a lot better than the camera I'm using now. Basically, what my goal is essentially with this camera is I want to shoot more footage in log. I color grade my footage right now, but it's not really the best color grading, just because I am limited. But when you shoot in log, which is a color profile where it's all grayed out, and you can add in all the color when you do edit, and essentially that gives you more freedom to play around with. I've got color grading packs that are really good, but I was just limited by this camera in terms of what I can do. Specifically with this, it should be good, so gonna have fun with editing, shooting a lot more footage in log and editing a lot more, have a lot more freedom. Hopefully it looks pretty good. And the difference with this, which I didn't mention, is it's got interchangeable lens, whereas the ZV-1 doesn't. That just has a camera that pops out and then goes back in. Overall, very happy with everything. I'm gonna probably shoot next week's video using this, and yeah, try and document that as well. Other than that, I think that's everything. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.